Good evening. Presentation software alternatives. I think resources should be available and easy to find for educators. There's no sense in, especially new teachers, looking across the universe for resources, uh, and they're right there. They should be, put somewhere categorized where they're easy to find. I think that one of our articles that I read from the Symbaloo resources. Richard Burns, he did an outstanding job where he placed blog platforms in one area so teachers would have a educated guess of which one is best to use in their subject area. It's a learning that matters. Presentations are meant to be engaging, eye-appealing, while still keeping the learner's best interest at heart. Clark and Mayer go into great detail discussing, how items should be arranged on the screen, how learners pick up material better. They talk about the multimedia principle, the contiguity principle, uh, and the modality principle, and many others. Now, we were choosing two presentations, and presentation softwares, and I chose Prezi and Powtoon. Right now I'm kind of stuck with using PowerPoint and then using Screencast-O-Matic to record the screen. But in a little bit I'm going to really learn Prezi and Powtoon and get up to date in my presentations. But Prezi, once again, it's an alternative to PowerPoint, still used by educators or other professionals that want to really do a dynamic, exciting presentation to others. Step-by-step tutorials make sure presentation flawless. Does a great job of having ready-to-go templates, especially if you are stressed for time. I would use it. It's great for videos, introductory videos, depicting your personal information at the beginning of any course. And of course, it's Powtoon. Like I said, it's just another great alternative presentation software other than now PowerPoint or Prezi. Now, in my opinion, it's a little bit more difficult at the beginning than PowerPoint or Prezi, but it's well worth it when you've worked out all the issues. It's a video animation software. It's online. Allows you to create great videos in less than 20 minutes. Of course, you have to learn the software first before you can hit that time limit. You've got to access to a variety of things: soundtracks, characters, props, fonts, and transitions. For new educators coming into the profession, great fun step-by-step instructions to complete a task, say like, doing a lesson plan. And as a former business teacher, I would have my students use it to present their marketing ideas, their marketing product, their marketing strategy. Now, churches are really getting into using technology, and so they're using mobile apps such as Remind 101 to keep members informed of meetings or important events. There are those individuals who are too busy to write the check and put it in the envelope, or even too busy to go to the ATM machine. So some churches use an app that allows them to pay their tithes and offering by phone. The presentation tools are used for sermons, advertisements, and announcements. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and these are my references. Thank you. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.